Viewers, welcome to my channel, latest fashion trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am selfish, impatient and little insecure. I make mistakes. I am out of control and at times hard to handle. But if you can't handle me at my worst, then you sure as hell don't deserve me at my best. You have gotta dance like there's nobody watching. Love like just you will never be hurt. Single like there is nobody listening and live like it's heaven on earth. You know you are in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. A friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you. Darkness can't drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. We accept the love we think deserve. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for what you are not. He did. I fell in love the way you fall asleep, slowly and then all at once. The opposite of love is not hate, it is indifference. The opposite of art is not ugliness, it is indifference. The opposite of faith is not heresy, it is indifference, and the opposite of life is not death, it is indifference. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriage. I love you without knowing how, or when, or from where. I love you simply without problems or pride. I love you in this way because I do not know any other way of loving but this in which there is not I or you, so intimate that your hand upon my chest is my hand, so intimate that when I fall asleep, your eyes close. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to know. Have you ever been in love? Horrible is not